Another day, another story. Welcome to Fact Flow TV. New York City, often referred to simply as New York, is one of the most iconic and vibrant cities in the United States, if not the world. It is located in the northeastern part of the country and is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and dynamic atmosphere. Here's an introduction to the city. Historical significance. New York City has a deep and storied history, dating back to its founding as a Dutch trading post in 1624. It played a crucial role in the American Revolution and became the capital of the United States from 1785 to 1790. Over the centuries, it has grown into a global economic and cultural powerhouse. Cultural diversity. NYC is renowned for its incredible diversity. People from all over the world have settled here, contributing to a unique blend of cultures, languages, and cuisines. You can experience a taste of nearly every culture on Earth by simply exploring the city's neighborhoods. Landmarks and attractions. Times Square. Known as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is famous for its dazzling billboards, theaters, and its iconic New Year's Eve ball drop. Central Park. This massive urban oasis offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. You can enjoy recreational activities, concerts, and scenic walks within its boundaries. Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and democracy, Lady Liberty stands tall on Liberty Island in New York Harbor and can be visited by ferry. Empire State Building. Once the world's tallest skyscraper, it offers stunning views of the city from its observation deck. Museums. NYC boasts world-class museums, including the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, and the American Museum of Natural History. Theater and entertainment. Broadway is synonymous with top-notch theater productions. Catching a Broadway show is a must for anyone visiting the city. Additionally, NYC offers a vibrant nightlife scene with countless bars, clubs, and live music venues. Cuisine. The city is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide range of culinary experiences. From street food vendors selling hot dogs and pretzels to upscale Michelin-starred restaurants, there's something to satisfy every palate. Shopping. NYC is a shopper's paradise, with world-famous shopping districts like Fifth Avenue, Soho, and Greenwich Village. You can find everything from luxury boutiques to quirky thrift stores. Skyscrapers. The city's skyline is punctuated by iconic skyscrapers like the Chrysler Building, One World Trade Center, and the aforementioned Empire State Building. Public transportation. NYC has an extensive and efficient public transportation system, including subways and buses, making it relatively easy to get around the city. Events and festivals. The city hosts numerous events and festivals throughout the year, from the Thanksgiving Day Parade to the New York International Film Festival. These events add to the city's vibrancy and cultural richness. Economic hub. As a global financial center, NYC is home to Wall Street, the New York Stock Exchange, and many multinational corporations. It's a city where business, finance, and innovation converge. In summary, New York City is a dynamic and culturally diverse metropolis that offers an unparalleled mix of history, culture, entertainment, and opportunities. Whether you're interested in exploring its iconic landmarks, indulging in world-class cuisine, or immersing yourself in its vibrant art scene, the Big Apple has something to offer every visitor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.